Hi, I'm Bill with Keating Pipeworks Incorporated, taking care of all your plumbing needs. Here in Arvada, Denver, and the surrounding areas, we can install kitchen sink faucets, bathroom faucets, and any other faucet that you'd like. If your hands are gooked up, this is a perfect faucet for in the kitchen. All you need to do is touch it, and you're set. You can wash your hands without getting the finish all messed up, and it's a great way to impress your friends. Give me a call and we can go ahead and get this installed for you. Thank you.